Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video to explain what this is that I just posted. Um, so DIVA Protocol is a smart contract that allows to create all kinds of derivative products, including bets, insurance, structured products, swaps, conditional donations, so everything that has an event and a payoff that is linked to the outcome of the event. And yeah, so we used DIVA Protocol or the DIVA app that is using DIVA Protocol in the background to create bets on the outcome of tomorrow's match, Germany versus Japan. So what you see here is these are basically considered free markets. So if you want to win bet on Germany win, you click here and you get redirected, hopefully, to that page. And what you see here is the event. You see the reference asset Germany wins, which is equivalent to an outcome of 1. This is when the event will be observed. So basically tomorrow Germany is playing at 2 p.m. Central European time. So at 4 p.m. we will know the outcome. So that's when this derivative or this bet expires and the outcome will be reported. So if you want to bet on a Germany win, your maximum reward is 1.47x. So basically, if you say do $100, right? If you bet $100, your max payout is 147. Yeah, and this offer will expire in 10 hours. And this is the oracle that will report the outcome. So for demonstration purposes, I just selected myself, but we will integrate a decentralized oracle solution to have a way to report outcomes without reliance on one single party, like myself in that case. Okay, cool. So that's your payoff profile. So it's binary, like in a typical bet. And here you see what are the outcomes. So Germany win is 1, so you get a payoff of 1.47, and if an outcome below 1, say 0, is reported, you get nothing. I mean, it's probably a bit of unusual way to present a sports bet, but we built this app to be general purpose, so you can create all kinds of products, and we will also design how sports betting specific design might look like and implement that. So for now, it's just the DIVA app. Yeah, and if you want to fill it, so you say I want to bet $100 that Germany wins. So you need a little bit of Girly. If Girly is the testnet on Ethereum. And you need DUSD, which is a test fake token that we're using for the testnet, so you get them in our Discord. And okay, so transactions pending. So let's wait a bit. So decentralized solutions are always a bit slower than centralized ones. But now the transaction went through. Congrats. So now you basically have this position that would pay out if Germany wins, right? So you can add it to your MetaMask. So you received $147, which basically means that's your maximum you can get out. So you put in $100 and 147 is what you can get out. So one token, one L308 token, represents a contingent claim on the amount that is in the pool. Okay, you add this to your MetaMask to have it there, and you can also check check the outcome. One sec. Sorry, check your positions. So you see, I use the same account that is betting against you, right? So it's kind of like the bookmaker side, which has the opposite payoff. But here, this L301 is basically what I now received as the position. As I said, it's probably an unusual way to present sports bets, but what we're demonstrating here with sports bets, you can apply to all kinds of products, to different types of payoff profiles. So here you see different shapes that you can use and really customize the product according to your needs. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, let's hope that Germany wins. Bye bye.